Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you some certain settings that you have to turn on your channel before you even start uploading your videos. So these settings are necessary for you to get a maximum views on your channel. So guys, if it is the type of video you would love to watch, stay tuned and watch to the end. And please, as you're watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. Okay, so guys, now let's go into the YouTube studio app to start it. Okay, so guys, before you do these necessary settings, you click on these settings down here below. Let me show you. Okay, so it will take you to this interface here. You come to this setting here, you click on channel. You can see general, channel, upload default, permission, community moderation, agreement. Do you understand? Now you are going to click on channel and wait for it to load. Okay, and now, so this is what you are going to do. Now you click on this basic info. Okay, so under this basic info, now you are going to put the name of your country. You can see it says country of residence. Okay, you click on this country of residence and select the country. Okay, so now since it's bring you to this place, now you're going to choose your country down here. Okay, so let me choose my country. Okay, my country is Nigeria. Oh, I don't know what is wrong with my screen. So now I've choose my country. Let me just zoom it so that you can be able to see country of residence, Nigeria. Then after, come down to that you see keyword, then you add your channel's keyword. So this our channel is all about food. Is about cooking. Is about cooking. So now we are going to add all the tag relating to cooking. Okay, now you can see inside this tag that you can see the cooking channel, easy recipe, home cooking, cooking tutorials, cooking at home, delicious. You see all these kind of tags. Then after adding these tags, now you come over to this place. Please, these tags help in terms of, this tags is very important in your channel. Okay, these tags, these keywords here now will help the algorithm to know the type of people that need this your content. Okay, to know the type of audience that need this your content and push it to them. Okay, so that is why it's very important to add these tags. After adding the keywords on your description, you also come here and also do what, add it. It will help the algorithm to know the type of people that need your content. Okay, so now let's go into advanced settings. Yeah, now here now under this advanced settings, you're going to set your video made for kids. Yes, set this channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content that is made for kids. Okay, no, set this channel as not made for kids. I uploaded, this kind of a thing now. So now you're going to click on no, this channel is not made for kids. Okay, you're going to upload it, you are going to click on it here, you are going to set it already in your channel. Okay, so it's very important to set it up. Do you understand? Now, third-party training. Allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel content. Okay. Now, you are not going to click on this. Okay, to avoid people using your content. Okay. So now I will advise you to leave it like this. Just leave it the way you are seeing it. Okay. Now, after doing that, you come over to this place. Feature eligibility. Okay, here now, standard features: upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborators and new videos to playlists. Okay, you're going to enable it. Do you understand? You're going to enable it. Channels is free of community guidelines track and the rest of them. Okay, so you're going to enable it. Okay, this will help you to collaborate with other people and the rest of them. Do you understand? Add new video to existing playlist. So now from here, now you're going to create a playlist and add videos to them. Do you understand? Okay, coming to this second option here, intermediate features, over 15 minutes, custom thumbnail and live stream. So here now, if you remember when I upload my first video, I didn't add my thumbnail. Okay, because of what? I didn't verify this channel. Now this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on this thing here. After clicking on it, now you come here that you see video verification. I don't know whether you can see it. Let me just show you. This place you see verify phone number. Okay, now you are going to go there and verify your phone number. So this is what you're going to do. You click on it like this. After clicking on it, so now when you click on it, to bring you to this place, you first of all select your country. Okay, when you put your country here now, then from this place now you select your country. Do you understand? These are the countries that we have. You are going to select your country. Then after selecting your country, then you come here. What is your phone number? You add your phone number. Do you understand? Make sure that the phone number you are adding here, you haven't used it. You will not use it up to 2 times. Okay, because if you use it up to 2 times, YouTube will not accept it. Do you understand? So make sure that the phone number that you add here, you haven't used it in more than, you will not use it in up to 3 accounts. Okay, highest that you use it is only 2 accounts. Okay, so once you finish putting your phone number here, now you click on next. Do you understand? Then if you select text me the verification code, they will send it via message. Okay, then if you select call me with an automated voice message, then they will call you and forward the message for you. Do you understand? So do you understand everything that I did here now? Now let's go back. So now another settings. So now after you finish doing all these things that I mentioned, now you come down here to do what? And save. You understand? Up here. Thanks so much for watching, and please, if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.